Hey everyone, it's Caden Kesterson here with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this week we're featuring a model known as the San Juan. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, what's so special about the San Juan? Well, here's the better question. What isn't special about the San Juan? You see, this is a model that's actually family friendly. And that may seem like a little bit of an oxymoron to you. How can you have a family friendly tiny home? Well, Elite did it. You see, this model has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with 2 loft space. Can you imagine how many people that you can sleep in here? It is phenomenal. You can have a whole party in here, you can have it as a getaway, you can even have it as a family full-time residence. You see, I've been in the industry for about 7 years now, and my wife has still not found a floor plan that she's liked because we have a growing family. Well, once this arrived, she liked it. You see, she searched for about 7 years to find a floor plan that would actually work for her and work for a growing family. And once this home arrived, I immediately called her, she came out here, viewed it, and fell in love with it. Now, let's go ahead and check out some of these unique features that have made this such a family-friendly model. You see, you've got a full living room area right here. You've got lots of room for a couch, you can even add a chair or so. And if you've got a little one like we do, you've got a bench right here that lifts up, and then you can store toys under there. You can store blankets under there if you don't have a little one. You've got lots of options because this home is designed for storage. You've got all kinds of windows going through the home. We've got the high windows. We've even got the pine on the ceiling to try and give it that natural rustic look inside of our home and give it a really elegant style. Now see, right here is what no other company has been able to figure out. We've got the second bedroom that doubles as a Murphy bed. It doubles as a dining room. It could even triple as an office. Guys, it has so many options. You can close it off right here. So again, if you've got a little one, or if you're work from home, you can close this off, be separate from the rest of the house, and have your peace and quiet. Now, if you don't have a little one, and maybe you want to use this as a formal dining room, well, you've got that option. You can see right here that we've got the table folded down. Now this table will actually fold up, and if you'll look right inside of here, once this table folds up, there's 2 latches on here so the table's not going anywhere. Then this actually folds down as a bed. So you've got a table for a formal dining room, but you also have the bed that folds down. So if you've got guests over, you can entertain them in your home with your open living room and with your formal dining area, but they can also have a comfortable place to sleep where they aren't having to sleep on a pull-out couch, but they can actually sleep in their own bedroom. And if you look over here at this gorgeous entertainment center, you'll see that we have this beautiful pine that we actually stained blue to try and give it some natural character and some really good colors. We've also got this really pretty countertop with the painted white cabinets to try and tie everything together. Now, if you're worried about having your big screen TV inside of a tiny home, look how much room you have here, guys. You don't need a TV bigger than that. You can get a huge 60-inch right there and you'll be good to go. Now, if you'll follow me into the kitchen, some people are afraid if they have 2 bedrooms, they either lose their living room or they lose their kitchen. But again, the beauty of the San Juan is you lose neither. You've got a really nice hutch area. You've got drawers, you've got cabinets, you've got cabinets above. We tied in the same color scheme from the entertainment center with the backsplash countertop and the white cabinets. And if you look on this side, you'll see you've got the gorgeous stainless farm sink again. We've got the same color scheme going through the house. We've got, again, our pull-out faucet. We love those. We've got the window above the sink. We've got the microwave convection oven. We've got the smooth top stove. We've got your fridge. Guys, you've got everything that you need inside of this home. And if you follow me back through here, we'll check out the bathroom and the bedroom inside of this home that really try and tie everything together. So right inside here is the bathroom. You can see that we've got the gorgeous tile shower. We've got the toilet right here. We've got the linen cabinet over the commode. This is a huge cabinet, guys. We've got 2 can lights in here, one for your shower, one for your vanity right here. We've got the really pretty oval sink that you can get inside this model. And then if you'll look right in here, we're in the bedroom master bedroom. You see we've got the gorgeous pine wall that we continued through here. You've got enough room on both sides for a queen size bed to fit. We've got windows pulling in some natural light. We've got your closet right here inside your home. That way you can have your shirt closet. And one of the most unique features about this floor plan is, again, we're only working with 399 square feet, so we try to be as conservative with our space as possible. So we have one of the Euro washer dryers. This is one of the washer dryer combo units where it's all in one. This is a huge space saver inside this home to try and put that under the staircase and use the maximum space that we have in this home. Now if you'll follow me upstairs, we'll actually go check out the 2 loft spaces. Now that we've made it up to the loft area, you'll see actually how much room there are in both of these lofts. You see in this first loft that's over the bedroom, we've got enough room for a blow-up mattress. You could actually have another one right over here as well. We've got the really long cabinet that goes along this area, try and maximize storage. And we've also got the really nice shirt cabinet in here to try and maximize storage, maximize space. So if you're worried about downstairs not having enough room to store all of your clothes, you've got some extra storage up here. And if you look on the other side of the loft area as well, you'll see that it really nicely overlooks the kitchen and the living room area. And there's a bunch more storage space over there, or enough sleeping spaces where you can throw a few more air mattresses down. Now that we've checked out the loft areas, let's go ahead and head back downstairs. Thank you everyone for checking out another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where we featured this week the model known as the San Juan, which is one of the most unique and versatile floor plans that we've ever had to offer you guys. Our family-friendly model with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 2 loft areas to sleep more than enough people. Remember guys, like, comment, share our video. If you like this house, give us a thumbs up because we are super excited about this house. Guys, this is a lot of opportunities for a lot of people that haven't been able to downsize before. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you next week.